and welcome to the UJ Lucky Star Cooking Show. UJ, what's cooking? According to the Global Healthy Campus Program, universities shall provide, among others, sustainable food and nutrition catering services and meals that are appropriate for the campus communities. The program also encourages universities to provide nutrition counseling to the campus communities of staff and students. On this episode of UJ What's Cooking, we are joined by Jason Willemse, a versatile South African actor best known for his breakout role as Cameron Jansen on the hit e.tv series Scandal. With a career spanning over a decade across major television platforms including Generations The Legacy, Vlug na Egypte, a popular SABC telenovela uBettina Wethu, Jason has made his mark as a dynamic performer with a passion for storytelling. From his early training in drama and business to starring roles that showcase his range and resilience, Jason's story is one of growth, dedication, and genuine love for the craft. We all eat, and with food comes meaningful conversations to connect. Food brings people together, shaping cultural norms through shared meals and tradition. Food also plays a significant role in building relationships, strengthening communities, and even impacting individual well-being. So, let's get cooking. Jason, this is Chef Ijaz.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
Honor
too.
to meet you.
Thank you. Honor to meet you too.
Ijaz is one of the chefs here at the UJ School of Tourism and Hospitality, so he's going to take you through the process in terms of what we're preparing today.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. So, Chef Ijaz, what do we have on the menu today?
So, Mr. Colin, Mr. Jason, so today we are going to be doing our lucky brand, Lucky Star, our amazing people that everyone knows of. So we're going to be using either we can use the pulses or we can use the tuna. It all comes down to how you want to go about it, right? So we're going to be making this into a soup, a red lentil soup.
Okay.
So I guess let's start cooking.
Let's start cooking.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna need to do is wash our hands.
Yes, wash hands.
Every kitchen, everywhere you go, you have to wash your hands. Number one.
Of course.
So let's get started.
Okay.
Are you a regular in the kitchen?
I am actually.
Is it?
Yes.
What's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish, I actually made, you won't believe this, I actually made a poached biryani.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know, I'm sure you probably know, but you can make poached biryani.
Yeah.
Got it from TikTok and I tried the recipe and it was delicious, but I've never heard of a poached soup before. I've never tasted it, so I'm looking
Yeah,
forward
something
to it.
different, I guess.
Yes,
isn't it?
yes, definitely.
Yeah. So you've done quite a number of roles on TV, on Scandal, on uBettina Wethu.
Okay.
Which character in those two roles challenged you the most, and what did you learn about yourself?
So I would say the one in uBettina, where I played Wendell. He was IT, but he was on the spectrum, so he had like autism. And that to me, I learned a lot about myself. I believe the older I am in this industry, or the older I grow, the more I got life experience to carry with me. A few years back, I wasn't able to play the character. But now that I got a little bit of life experience, I can bring that with me. So for me, that one was very difficult. Like I said earlier, that I didn't want to offend the
autism community, those that have.
Yes, I didn't want to, but I actually got compliments from people that said, look, my child's autistic and there's not a lot of characters that I know of in South Africa. Maybe just one or two overseas.
So
the
they
good
felt
doctor,
the support through you.
Yes.
Yeah.
The good doctor that I know of, but then when I did my research, I had to go like everyone on YouTube and see, and I found actually beautiful series called Atypical, which was like, okay, this is different to the good doctor. And also the thing with being autistic, not everyone's the same. So I was asking the director all the time, am I playing this right? Because I am not sure. But then I also had to trust my instinct and say like, this is what we're gonna do and I'm gonna stick.
Have you interacted with somebody who has autism before?
Yes, I did. And
so you could
they're not the
reference
same.
your experiences from that?
I couldn't really, because they're all different, you know,
Yeah.
in their own way. But what I've noticed a trait was two school kids is that they're actually very smart. They're good in what they do and they don't have to stand back for anyone else in this world. And that's it.
And obviously you have learned from various institutions to develop yourself when you were studying, and you also had the opportunity to get, industry knowledge from Dorothy Ann Gould, who gave you the mentorship to become who you are now. So, if you were to look at the blend of your formal education and mentorship from people who are experienced, what does that offer for somebody like you? And I'm asking this because sometimes people are very talented, but talent alone needs something else to complement it to flourish. What did you get from the two?
So when I studied, acting is a very disciplined thing. But because I studied theater, it was always, you have to act big, you have to do this. And when I walked on Scandal, which was my first one, I believe I wasn't quite ready, but I was running deep, so I just had to roll it.
Yeah.
And then I wanted to show them the emotion. With Dorothy and Gold, because she's done it for such a long time. She did international movies, the Shakespeare thing in England, and all those. She told me, you have to internalize it, and then it will show. It doesn't need to be big, just internalize. Like I said earlier, I couldn't cry. So she said, just to internalize it and then to work on it. And from there, it was just flowing for me.
Your favorite international actor?
Favorite, there's a lot, because you can learn, but if I have to choose one, would be Leonardo DiCaprio. Yes. Very good actor.
Denzel Washington takes it for me.
I love Denzel.
Yeah.
Like I said earlier.
He's done a
There's
lot.
a lot. There is a lot.
Yeah.
My favorite movie is actually John Q of Denzel Washington. What's your favorite one?
Yeah. I did watch that.
This was with the boy. Hey, I cried like.
Yeah,
I cried with
exactly.
the boy, my father.
The one that I like of Denzel Washington is The Great Debaters.
Okay.
So it's based on a true story.
I've seen it.
In America, Little Wiley College, and he was the professor of the college teaching about 4 or 5 students to debate.
You should actually check out. There's a new one.
Yeah.
So they remake the Japanese movie, and it's called Highest and Lowest. It's got A$AP Rocky in it. It's a spy movie.
Oh yeah.
And Denzel's brilliant.
I love that man. Now he's aging, and I'm a little sad because he's gonna.
That's the thing,
Yeah, he's gonna leave the industry or the stage. You see him a lot of. You see a few appearances of him at some awards or events, but you can see the man is aging physically. It's one of the actors I would have liked to have him for quite some time. Yeah, and Brad Pitt, one of my favorites as well.
Yeah, everybody ages. I remember when I was small. And then it was obviously Arnold Schwarzenegger and Jean-Claude Van Damme. Now giving them my
Growing
age.
up, obviously.
Yeah, and then these guys, look at them now, they are old.
Yeah.
They're looking old.
Yeah. But luckily we have people like you. Do you have any aspirations to go up to Hollywood one day?
When I did uBettina, funny enough, because it's attached to international brand, there was just, I think 2, 3 agents from overseas that actually approached me. But my thing is, I didn't want to go there to be just a number. But now the formula changed, because if you do a Netflix one, you do it well, and you can go to the Emmys or the Golden Globes. That's your way in. Now, not the other way around. Go there, try to make it. So try to get I would say get a Netflix one here, and then act so good that they like Tuso. Because I worked with Tuso before. At Scandal. Yes. And I did the pilot for when she was still in South Africa.
She's
not on
she's
TV.
a gone girl.
Yes.
Now.
So our formula was to do a local show, which was on Netflix by the way. Got nominated for an Emmy, and that's where she met all the key players. So I believe that's the thing.
Yeah. And she's now one of them. She's no longer that rising star.
Yes.
You can see the way she interacts with all those guys there, the ladies from Hollywood. And speaking of that, television has changed over the years. Back in the days, a lot of South Africans, or many Africans, were relying on, traditional TV, soapies, etc. But with the introduction of things like Netflix and, the streaming platforms, people have sort of switched from traditional TV to that stuff. What do you think that offers for people like you, and what does that mean for the industry? Is it elevating it, or is it, seeing some mediums die as some rise?
I think it's a global problem. It's traditional TV versus the streaming platforms. It's good and it's bad. My core audience is probably traditional TV because of Scandal. but with Netflix and your Amazons and EVOD and Prime Video, and it's also View. It's just more opportunities for an actor, and also with the streaming platforms. If you're on a Netflix or an Amazon, people overseas can see you. It's not just locally, you know.
Yeah. If you had to choose a Netflix series or a movie like you shoot a movie, it's over a certain period and then boom, it plays. Or would you like to do like a series?
I would say both. I actually, even though I did soapy, I like series and movies because it's outside, it's not inside the studio all the time. Also, you can see the sunlight, you can see if it's raining. That's the stuff I like. And it's 2 cameras where if you shoot the soapy, it's 1, 2, 3 cameras, and you can just do so much.
Yeah. Okay. If you had to choose a character,
okay,
that you think you can depict it 110%, that would bring out your skills, your acting skills.
Okay.
Not the script would be written entirely by you. What type of character would that be?
Sure, that's a difficult question. I don't know. I actually don't know.
Because I'm asking you this because there's some actors who are good at emotional characters. You know, you always have to bring in some sort of crying, etc.
Yeah.
There's who's that lady who was acting? Was she on Scandal as well? What's her name? She's in the UK now. Colored lady. Andrews?
Andrews, yes,
Yeah?
was on Rhythm City.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
She used to love your, and it suit her personality.
Yes.
If you follow her.
The thing is,
she was wearing like short skirts and rock star vibes and stuff. Maybe it's something that she likes.
yes.
And maybe that's why the directors would cast her in those type of roles. And that's why my question to you, which one would be? Is it like a nerd, a cool boy?
No,
or?
this is what I've learned. Like I started acting.
Yeah.
When I did uBettina, it actually taught me that not a lot of people can be comedy. It's actually more difficult in drama. Not everyone, you can't make everyone laugh, but people can feel emotion, they can cry with you.
Yeah.
But comedy, but I've learned, especially when I did Scandal, I think I was there for 4 years, and then I had to go in other productions. But before that, I did quite a lot of work behind the scenes. And because I did such a lot of work, it gave me the opportunity. It wasn't stable, it wasn't sufficient for an actor to survive on, and you have to do some other things. But in that space of time, it taught me different characters. It made me grow so much. Yeah. So when on this new one, when my colleague saw me that I saw like way back from Scandal, he's like, I can't believe this is the same person that I saw way back because I've done so much in between. Yeah. Where other person maybe in a soapy for so long, and then when they play something else, they're like, no, but it's still the same purpose.
I would want to be a police. Let's taste the food. Cool. Chef,
thank you so
much for your time. Thank you, Jason. This was a very hearty meal. I believe that we can go and try this at home.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much. So, UJ is turning 20 years old this year, and we are celebrating this milestone with guests on the show. Jason is one of them. So, Jason, your birthday message to UJ, please.
Okay, I think before I say happy birthday to UJ, 20 years, I just need to scream. You know how long 20 years is?
I know.
I just need to scream it out, and hopefully the mic, I don't know, just block your ears, but happy birthday, UJ! UJ! All the way!
All the way!
UJ!
All the way!
UJ!
Happy birthday, UJ.
Happy birthday, amazing show. Thank you, Mr. Colin, thank you, Mr. Chef, and I like what you guys are doing here, organic food. I just heard about a program here, and keep up the good work and keep educating us. That's very educational for me, and I will definitely eat all these plates myself. But thank you, I really enjoyed it, and thank you guys for being super cool.
Thank you so much. So to you, the viewer at home, please send us your birthday messages on Facebook, X, and Instagram to wish UJ a happy 20th birthday. And you could stand a chance to win a 2,000 Rand Lucky Star hamper at the end of this cooking series this semester. All you need to do is text or record your video message, post it and tag the University of Johannesburg using the following hashtag, UJ Lucky Star Cooking, and you could be the winner. So this is all we had for today's show, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you feel inspired to do more and to be great after that hearty conversation with our guest Jason here. Please share with us your cooking tips and experiences in the comment section below. It's always great to cook and enjoy food together. Continue cooking with Lucky Star and the UJ School of Tourism and Hospitality, as well as the Center for Ecological Intelligence, as you work on your next best thing. Catch another episode of UJ What's Cooking next week, same time, same place. And subscribe to UJ TV on YouTube. Follow us on all social media platforms at UJ Sport, Lucky Star, STH, and CEI for sport updates, recipes, and inspiring daily content. Keep cooking with Lucky Star to find joy in the taste of home. We'll see you in the next episode. Ciao.